Do you like WordPress and all that gubbins? I do. Do you like the fine city of Bristol? I do. Wouldn't it be lovely to bring the two of them together? Wordstall, Bristpress, Wordstall Bristpress.
Bob.
Hello?
Please keep to the script.
Oh yes. Hello, my name is Bob.
The script!
James Middleton will be hosting a day of WordPress training in Bristol on the 20th of March 2018. Learn to build and manage your own secure WordPress.
WordPress!
Right. WordPress website incorporating all on-site aspects of search engine optimization and mobile compatibility. You've upsetted me, you have, shouting at me and all that.
Bob!
Right, visit the website for details. Just be quick about it. There's only 10 spaces.